Today's video is going to be an actual vlog of lockdown. I don't know, like what I do in lockdown. But yeah, right now my room's a mess. Exposing myself. But yeah, this is just going to be a vlog. Probably won't be the best because this is personally my first ever real vlog. I have done a couple random ones in the past, but they turned out rubbish. But yeah. But first thing, I'm gonna tidy my room and then we're gonna get ready. Before we start, I am gonna show you the whole of it when it's tidied. But as you can see, I have moved everything about. I kind of thought to film it midway, but the time that I started thinking I should actually film this, that's when it got a little bit too messy, and I just done it and I left it on this. So you're gonna see the end result in a way. But yeah, first, time lapse. Okay, so I look a mess right now. We're gonna glow up soon. But for now, I need to, the last and final thing, the main thing, I need to tidy up this. You can barely see it, but there's loads of trousers from Sunday's video. Today is Sunday, by the way. Sunday the 26th. And yeah, we're gonna tidy it up because I got too tired yesterday, so we're gonna do it now. But time lapse. Okay, I'm gonna do my desk and then I'll show you about, and then we're gonna get ready. Well, I'm gonna get ready. Yep. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing today. Just this top, what says 100% Angel, and then these like leggings, like zips. You probably saw that outfit before, but yeah. Lockdown life is just comfy clothes. So let's get changing. Whee! Don't know what that was, nice. But this is my outfit. Probably will actually get like warm through the day. But yeah. Angel. Can't really see it because of my hair. But yeah, that is the outfit. Now I'm gonna do this wall. Mine's empty, but I'm gonna sort it. But I got a new recent magazine, and I'm gonna put some things on the wall. So yeah. Okay, so the things we've got is this random picture I found. Blue tack. We need blue tack. Scissors. We need that as well. And then some magazines. Let's get cutting. Okay, so these are the pictures I printed. cut out. Of course that one was there first. And then I liked Holly's dress on this, so I'm gonna hang that up. And then I'm gonna cut more of it. But the best summer, I like that. I don't know what. And then I've got, I need to kind of still sort out, like, brushes and different brushes in like a bath, it looks like. Then I've got a little, again I need to cut it out more. I like that one. I love this outfit, so I got it out. New York, I really want to go to New York. This is legit gonna just be my inspiration. Well, my idea is to like try and cover it all, like so when I'm filming it will just look like a backdrop. So I've got that, got this. I might cut out some other little mix ones, but the Perry one is out of order because I wanted that one. I thought it looked cool, but then I've got a choice for Perry, got Jade again, and I've got the word tile. I think that's, oh no wait. And I've got this one, I just like the tile of it. And then I think that's all I cut out. But I should cover it, hopefully. So I'm going to cut these out more and then I'm going to put them on the wall. Okay, so I've done that one now. I've cut them bits out. But now I'm going to go on a walk. I'm not going to film it, but I can't say like legit because it is in my town, like treat. But I'll do the rest when I'll get back. And yeah. We're going on a walk. And that's my dog. We're going on a walk. We're going on a walk. This vlog is like legit random. First ever vlog. But this is my OTTD. We're going on a walk. Yeah. And she is so excited. Daisy, come here. Daisy. And I'm back again. And my hair's a mess because we went on a walk, of course. Where I just want a little story time. Let's put it this way. Where we go on a walk, there's a little pond. Well, not a little, a big pond, like massive pond. Well, the ducks are in that. And my dog Daisy decided she wanted to chase some birds and some ducks. And she's never been in that like water before, so that was her experience. Let's just say she can swim now. Of course, dogs can naturally swim, but it was more a shock. I wish I caught it on camera, but it was the split second of her thinking it. But yeah, now I'm just sticking on blue tack onto these things. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna put the stuff up, and then I'm probably gonna just chill for a bit, have my lunch, or show you a picture here, and yeah, I might edit some of this video, mostly because my phone, I took my phone out and it's on 23 now, but it's dead, so pretty much dead. So I'm gonna probably get some lunch and then just chill. I might, well, if I filmed it, the clip at some point, hopefully next clip, will be, well not next clip, this will be the next clip, but I'll show you my room before I go and get some lunch. Yeah, I'll just do this and then we'll stick these up on the wall. Okay, so that's me done. Now we're gonna try and move everything. I'm just gonna move it about a bit first, just because the picture has fallen down and I really don't want to move my bed to try and get it. So just gonna move some pictures and not moving. Oh. Sorry guys. Oh yeah. That kind of looks cool. That does look cooler. And then that one there. I'm gonna actually lift this. And there's another photo frame gone. Honestly. Okay, so that's gonna go there. One sec. There's that one. Number some ever. It's gonna go over here. Like that. If you can see that one over there. Oh, put the lips up here. I'm gonna do the rest and then I'll show you. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I dropped 2 pieces, one you saw in the camera, and then I dropped another like, thing. I might cut out some more in a couple of days, and but for now, that's pretty. It's getting there. It's getting there. But yeah, I'm gonna show you my room now. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you first walk in. This is all the same. I might move that, but I don't know yet. This just has my stand, my recording stand. This is all the same. That's my vanity if no one's seen it, my new vanity. It's like, there's a video somewhere on my channel, I'll put it in the description. And then I put the mirror here, so you can see me. And then this is kind of a mess, but I'm thinking this is just stuff that needs taken to the charity shop. And then this is my lamp. Again, it's kind of a mess. I'm thinking to paint that white so it matches this more. And then this stuff is going to go onto them so it looks more nicer. That's the wall. And then over here is what the main thing, that and that is the main thing. I'll link the video of me decorating this as well, but I decorated it, but there's a couple of things that changed. The books aren't on it anymore, and this is on it now because it used to be here in the video, you'll see, and that used to be here. So that is the big transformation. And my unicorns to that, and I've got 2 more picture frames of these. I'm gonna put one there and one there, and then I need to put that up there or up here. Comment down below what you think. But yeah, I'm gonna go and have my lunch now, and I might see you later on because I'm gonna edit some of this, and I'm just gonna chill for a bit. Honestly, I'm gonna watch some YouTube, Netflix, TV, whatever, and that's all I'm doing. And then I'm gonna paint my nails later, so I'll record that or vlog that. I keep on saying record or film. It's vlog. It's a vlog. But yeah, I'll vlog that, and then I'll just do my night routine. There's not much I'm doing lately, but yeah. See you later. Okay, so this is the nail bar. I'm using that today. I need to this first. My sister or mum got that from Tiger, I think. And it's just like that. And some nail stuff comes on. Well, you know what I mean. So I'm just gonna go and rub this off, and then I'm gonna do my nails. Okay, so we're gonna do. I'm only gonna show you a bit of it. I'm gonna show you how I do it. Well, pretty much it's easy to do it this way, but I'm gonna show you how I do it this way. So yeah, I'm gonna open it, of course, and then I just take some off. Honestly, because I've done it for ages now, I'm pretty used to it now, but believe me, before, when I was holding it like this, I used to shake a lot. And I'm going to start doing it because I've said it now. But yeah, I really don't know what to. I'm going to just put it on time lapse because I'm honestly just doing my nails. So let's get in time lapse. Okay, so that's my nails done. I don't know if you can properly see the colour, but that's what it looks like. I'm going to actually close this vlog up now because I know I said I was going to do my skincare, but I'm going to do that for a next video because that could be a video in itself. And this video, as I've been editing it, it is long enough. But I hope you enjoyed my first ever vlog. I can't do anything with my hands because they're drying. But I hope you enjoyed it. And comment down below if I should do more vlogs. When we go out and when I do my first ever shopping spree, I'm going to do a vlog of that. So yeah. But if you enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye!